Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here at ICP. It's not looking great, but most coins are in the red today. So in case you missed the bus, Bitcoin is pulling back pretty significant. We've tentatively lost our lower support level here at 41,600, and there's a good chance we could see the price continue lower. My speculation is we're going to see the price come down to the low 41, possibly even 40K range for Bitcoin. And if that is the case for ICP, we can presume the price will kind of continue lower here to the low $11 range. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Recommend setting some dollar cost average targets if this is a coin that you're investing in. But generally speaking, welcome to the show. I hope you have a great day here today so far. We're going to take a quick look at some profits, just so you know, ETH 22% in 20 hours, Bitcoin 25% in 2 days, ICP we've got 23% in roughly 2 days as well. So we opened a short with ICP, Bitcoin, ETH, and Matic. We've taken profit on all of them. Okay, so far so good there. Congrats to our community members. We also want to take a quick look here at, hold on, is it Premium Plus? I just got notified. There we go, Matic 21% and another 36% there from Matic. Got a few different trading pairs open right now, so it's awesome stuff. Looks like Bitcoin is dumping as we can see the price pulling back here. So just be very aware that we could see that knee-jerk reaction to the downside. So once more, just to clarify, dollar cost average target, $11.15 would be the next key fib level, and possibly $10.31 for the primary one, that 1.0 fib level. So be mindful of that. All goes well here if all goes well, price recovers soon. But let's talk about a worst case scenario. I like to kind of get with the worst case just to be on the safe side, so we're all on the same page. So quickly to note on the daily, we are looking at, first of all, let's take a look at liquidity. There is some upper level liquidity there. Don't need to worry about that for a while. We're underneath the 20 SMA above the 50. That is just kind of letting us know we want to pay attention to this trade because, again, we've lost that bullish momentum. Our ascending trend line is invalidated. Moving forward, we can see we're testing 50 on the RSI. This is a common pivot point. Could see a bounce here, but I'm not recommending you just buy the dip right now because of this. Again, me personally, I like to wait for the dust to settle before I take trades. Catching falling knives or whatever you want to call it is never a good strategy. So in this case here, we can see we're kind of average out at 50. So that could be a bouncing point, but nothing is set in stone yet. MACD is still diverging, so we got 80% probability of the price action continuing down, or just generally speaking, this is a bearish type of scenario for us, no matter how you look at it. 4 hour time frame, we take a look here at the 4 hour, also looking pretty bearish. We take a look at TD sequential, we were at a 3, we got a nice little consolidation reset here, so we literally could see another 24 to 40 hours of downside. I would not be surprised the price continues lower. And as we can see, Bitcoin is traveling to 41,400 now, and at this point, definitely looking pretty bearish in the overall sense. Furthermore, too, we can take a look here quickly at, what is it? Let's go ahead and look at, so go ahead and make sure our volume is up. We can see we're seeing less volume here in general, but more selling pressure. If we look, of course, at the moving averages, we're below all moving averages. So honestly, the 4 hour time frame is completely bearish. We were under 50 on the RSI. That's half the reason why we confidently took our trade a couple days ago. Money flow index is pretty low. Keep in mind, it's a common bouncing point for the price to bounce off of 30 on the RSI and money flow closer to 20. So I'm not saying I recommend you doing this, but there's a solid chance we could see a little bit of a relief rally here soon. And that's a good bouncing point in most cases. Is it a guarantee? No, the price can definitely go below 70 or 30, I guess, depending on the direction you're heading. And effectively, we got a false positive there too. So I do not prefer to take trades on that, but I know some folks are successful with that. I've done it before as well, but it's kind of a flip of a coin. Honestly, we don't have a lot of bullish convergences here forming at all, so it's not really looking fantastic. Hourly, let's quickly note here. First of all, the Ichimoku Cloud, we're still below this guy. We've been below this for a while, and until we break above, there's no reason to consider a long position. In fact, we can also presume that this $11.80 to $12 range, this is going to be a strong resistance for us now that we're below it. Okay, so we could very well see a little bit of a dead cat bounce there. We already saw one here recently where the price tries to rally back and can't and continues lower. So there's literally 0 out of 0 reasons to take a long position right now. Okay. So please be careful doing so. If you're going to add to your spot bag, maybe you get lucky, but I would recommend again, low $11 or low $10 range for the dollar cost average targets, and I would just generally avoid a long position today. It's not the good or ideal conditions for it. While yes, you can buy a dip and be successful, that's a thing. It's not a super consistent thing. Okay, and I'm all about consistency. The reason why we took profit on all these trades here, we just took more XRP trade profit here as well. These profits are happening because we're patient and we wait for good confirmation. Okay, We could have shorted a long time ago and taken larger profits. There's no doubt about that. But now that we have confirmation that the market is moving in the downward direction, we're able to sweep some of those profits here and take some nice clean profit. Okay, so again, really good stuff there. Again, congrats to our community members. I'm glad that's working out well for you. Thank you for the awesome feedback. If you want to be part of that, of course, Crypto Cash Premium, link down below. CryptoCash.tech is the website. Also make sure we are using Bitunix for this exchange, our favorite exchange right now, mainly because no KYC or VPN requirements. While they don't have all trading pairs available as of yet, they're adding more at the end of the month, and they're a phenomenal exchange. Highly recommend them. If you use their link down below to register, you'll be automatically eligible for this trading competition. Make sure you do so. Again, awesome stuff, really cool things going on right now with them. Appreciate your time though, either way you look at it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.